Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nirasyan Zaputri from English Education. And now I want to explain about noun clause. First of all, I want to tell you about the contents. 1. Definition. 2. How to use noun clause. 3. What do nouns start with. 4. Noun clause example. Introduction. Noun clause is a subordinate clause that functions as a noun. Because it functions as a noun, this clause can function as a sentence component such as subject, object of verb, object of proposition, and subject complement, and can be replaced with the pronouns it. How to use noun clause? 1. Subject. 2. Object direct. 3. Indirect object. 4. Prepositional object. 5. Predicate nominative. What do nouns start with? Relative pronouns. Who, what, where, when, why, how, that, which. Indefinite relative pronouns. Whoever, whomever, whatever, wherever, whenever, and whichever. And the last, subordinating conjunction. If, whether. Noun clause example. Subject. Example. Why my pet turtle start at me all day is beyond me. In the sentence above, the underlined noun clause acts as a single subject of the independent clause. Predicate nominative. Noun clause can act as subject complements or nouns that follow linking verbs. For example, actor can become whomever they want to be on the stage. In the sentence above, the noun clause whomever they want to be is the subject complement of the linking verb become. Direct object. Noun clause can also function as direct object of the verb in the independent clause. Example, when my dog goes to doggy daycare, I do not know what he does, but he always has the best time. In the above, the noun clause what he does is acting as the direct object of the verb know. Indirect subject. Noun clause can also act as indirect object of the verb in the independent clause. Example, she chose to photograph whomever was willing to pose for her. In the sentence above, the direct object of the verb clause is the infinitive first to photograph. Just like a noun clause, this infinitive first is acting like the noun direct object. Therefore, the noun clause whomever was willing to pose for her is the indirect object of the same verb. And the last, object of the proposition. Other times, noun clauses can act as the object of a proposition in the independent clause. Example, I like to keep a schedule of when I have upcoming appointment. In the sentence above, the noun clause when I have upcoming appointments is acting as the object of the proposition of. I think that's all. Thank you.